In the heart of Alexandria, where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge technology, a medical revolution is unfolding. Critical care decisions happen in seconds, lives hang in the balance. But what if artificial intelligence could transform how we save lives in the intensive care unit? Meet Dr. Ahmed Hawash, pioneer of medical artificial intelligence in Egypt. Introducing the Hawash Method, where artificial intelligence meets bedside precision. The second Arabian Critical Care Conference presents the first artificial intelligence-powered critical care workshop in the Middle East. Learn practical artificial intelligence tools that predict patient deterioration, streamline clinical decisions, and enhance patient safety. From PICO safe prompts to artificial intelligence clinical decision support systems, transform your intensive care unit practice. November 23rd to 24th, 2025, Alexandria, Egypt. Limited seats available. Join elite medical professionals in shaping the future of critical care. Register now, because the future of medicine starts today. Artificial intelligence-powered critical care workshop, where innovation saves lives.